Okay, so in our previous lesson, okay, I have told you that, okay, you can, there is two ways, okay, how we want to create a function inside your worksheet. Either you enter it manually or you create a function using the AutoSum command. Okay, so what it means by the AutoSum? Okay, the AutoSum command allows you to automatically insert the most common functions into your formula, okay, including sum, okay, and then we have average also, count, mean, and max. Okay, so in the example here, we will use the sum function to calculate again, okay, the total cost, okay, for the list of recently ordered items here. Okay, so it will be the same as our previous step. Okay, the first step is you need to select the cell that will contain the function. Okay, so in our example here, okay, we will select cell D13. Okay, so after that, okay, so in the editing group, okay, okay, at the home tab, okay, inside the editing group here, all right, so you will see one button named as AutoSum. Okay, so and then, okay, you click the arrow next to the AutoSum command. Okay, next you choose the desired function from the drop down menu here. Okay, in our example here, we will select sum. Okay, so there is another place that you can find this button. Okay, either you go to formula tab, okay, inside the function library, okay, groups, okay, you will see one button here is the same button as at the home tab. Okay, so when you click the drop down menu, they will display the same command function, all right, inside your worksheet. Okay, so in this case, okay, we want to use sum, so we just click sum. Okay, so Excel will place the function in the cell and automatically select a cell range for the argument. In our example here, cells D3 until D12 were selected automatically. Okay, their values will be added to calculate the total cost. Okay, so if Excel selects the wrong cell range, okay, as I said earlier in our previous lesson, you can manually enter the desired cells into the arguments. Okay, there is two ways. Okay, the first one, before this, okay, before this I've showed to you, you can move, okay, at the edge of the this blue box, or you just can edit the arguments here. Okay, all right, and then you press enter, okay, on your keyboard, all right, and then the function will be calculated and the results will appear in the cell. Okay, all right, so all right, you need to remember one thing. Okay, Excel will not always tell you if your formula contains an error, so it is up to you to check all your formulas. Remember that.